Hi, everyone. It's Kelly here with Cross Timbers Rotary and another tip. Have you ever wanted to add a calendar update to our events calendar? It's really easy. Simply go to the Cross Timbers Rotary website. At the very top on the right-hand side, you'll see member area. Click on there. It will ask you for your username and password. As soon as you enter that, it will bring you to this screen here. On the top section, locate the portion that says events. You'll see an events tab. Click on that. And then from here, you can add calendar items. Then on the the right-hand side, simply click on the orange button that says add calendar item. Click on that, give your calendar item a title. Any details you want to add, you can type them in here. If you want it to show on the website, you make sure that that button's clicked on. You can add or load an image. If you click on that button, it's going to take you into the section called My Images. If it looks like this, simply click on the plus button next to the My Image section. From here, locate event headers for calendar. We've created a bunch that are already situated to fit in the space. If there's not one here that applies, simply let us know and we'll continue to add them to this calendar section. Then from here, for example, if you were updating the Nine and Dine, you would click on that image, give it a double click here. From here, just give the location, any address information you want to add. From here at the bottom, you want to input the start date and the start time, end date, end time. From here, just simply click, if it's a one-time event, click that. If it's a reoccurring event, you can click that. And then when you're done, hit save. And then from here, you'll see that it's been added. Have any other questions, just let us know. And we're going to continue to add some tips and tricks every week to our Cross Timbers Rotary website. Thanks for watching.